Trim on our 3-piece Roman tub set. Take off the cover guard here. This escutcheon here has a pin that matches up with a hole here. Clips down. Retaining nut holds it tight. Place on the handle. You would tighten it with the Allen key. And this is really nice with our Roman tub. Spout just slides on. Again, tighten it at the back with the Roman or with the Allen key. This is the diverter arm that screws in here for the diverter. And then finally, you need to put on the handheld shower. This has got that retaining clip that holds the hose so it won't fall through. I've already put the hose through the escutcheon, screw on the hose. Just clip this retaining clip on here for any future repairs. Slides down, clips on, retaining or Allen key at the back to tighten, and you're done.